folks, today we're going to start talking about unit rates. A unit rate is a special ratio. What makes this a unit rate is that a unit rate tells us how much one of something is. This prefix una in unit means one. Think about a unicycle. A unicycle has one wheel. Think about a unicorn. A unicorn is a mythological creature with one horn. Or think about a unibrow, one ginormous eyebrow. So hopefully you can remember now after those examples that una means one. So a unit rate tells us how much one of something is. Now, we have 5 problems. Let's take a look at these. For instance, we have problem number 1 that says you have 72 orders in 3 days. Well, my ratio would be comparing 72 orders in 3 days. What I want to know is how many orders would that equal in 1 day? So it's very easy to figure this out. What I do is I would say 72 divided by 3. And you can use your calculator for this. So 72 divided by 3 equals 24. So that means in 1 day there are 24 orders. So the answer to question number 1 would be 24. Let's take a look at the next example. Problem number 2. In problem number 2, we have 60 seats in 5 rows. So the ratio comparing 60 seats in 5 rows could be written like this. I want to know how many seats is that per row. Per row means 1 row, so that is a unit rate. Now, boys and girls, if you think about this bar here in a fraction, that signifies division. So what this is asking me to do, or telling me I can't do, is say 60 divided by 5. And 60 divided by 5 is 12. So that means there would be 12 seats per row, or 12 seats in 1 row. Remember, a unit rate tells us how much one of something is. Like a unicycle has 1 wheel and a unicorn has 1 horn. And a unibrow is 1 ginormous eyebrow. So let's look at problem number 3. Problem number 3, we have the ratio 36 desks in 6 groups. So I know that ratio of desk to groups is 36 to 6. What a unit rate wants me to find out is how many desks would there be in 1 group. Okay, so the way that I do that is I say 36 divided by 6, and that equals 6. So in 1 group, there would be 6 desks. I'd like you to pause this video and try problems number 4 and 5 on your own. You may use a calculator.